Hello everyone. I just came from grocery. Here I was first. Don't put the vegetable and fruits in your refrigerator without washing. Here, even our cat, we have food. Here you go. Our cat outside, our neighbor cat. Here you. Hey Tiger, how you doing? Hey, what's your name again? Oh, you're what? Garguza? Oh. Here, I buy zucchini, carrots, cucumber. What is that name? Origami. This one is yummy. You know what? If you want to buy apples, just go get this one. Pink Lady is so crunchy. Even this one, the green apple is a crunchy one, but this is the best apple, crunchy. Pink Lady. It's a little bit expensive, but it's okay. Of course, I'll buy the broccoli, celery. Here, turnips. And of course, this is our favorite. Tomato, and of course orange, always eat, and lemon, here, carrots. Hi kitty. Yeah, this is for you. I buy you a dry food. What are you talking about, Darby? About Thanksgiving? Hey, so anyway, it's coming to Thanksgiving. You know what? It's hard to find turkey in Saudi Arabia. I'm dying to get something. I went all the supermarket. There's no turkey. What the heck? What's wrong with that? It's because it's pandemic. So anyway, guys, thank you. Thank you for watching. See you later, alligator.
Like and subscribe.
Like and subscribe. And please, don't lose my all subscribers. Something happened to my subscriber.